Welcome to my channel. Let's learn. Today I am with another video. Topic of my video is RIP routing protocol. Before we move ahead, please take your time to like this video and subscribe to my channel. RIP is also known as Routing Information Protocol. It is a distance vector routing protocol. Routers running the distance vector routing protocol send all or a portion of their routing table in a routing update message. It uses a hop count as a routing metric to find the best path between the source and the destination network. It has an administrative distance of 120 and works on the network layer of the OSI model. RIP uses port number 520 and multicast address of 224.0.0.9, which is a Class D IPv4 address. As you can see on my network diagram over here, there are two local area networks, LAN 1 and LAN 2, with the network address of 192.168.1.0/24 and 192.168.2.0/24 respectively, and they are connected by the routers. If PC0 on LAN 1 has to reach PC2 on LAN 2, the router 1 has to decide the path through which the packet can be forwarded. If RIP routing protocol is enabled on router 1, then it will forward the traffic to router 2, as the number of hop count through router 2 is only 1. Configuration of RIP is quite simple. First of all, go to router 1, then go to CLI mode. After that, go to the enable mode, ENABLE. Then go to global configuration mode. Then once you are inside the global configuration, all you need to do is to type few simple commands. First of all, to enable RIP on router, you have to type router RIP. Then after that, to enable the version 2, you have to go for version 2. Then after that, type no auto summary. Then once you type this, you have to identify the network on which you want to enable the RIP routing protocol. For example, for router 1, I want to enable RIP routing protocol on all of these three interfaces, that is 192.168.1.0, 3.0 and 4.0. That's why I have given here as network 192.168.1.0, 3.0 and 4.0. And after that, the RIP routing protocol will be enabled. To verify the RIP routing protocol, all you have to do is type show IP protocol on the key enable mode. Let me show you those simple commands. Then I am already inside the global configuration mode. Then I will go for router RIP. I have to use version 2. No auto summary. Then I want to enable RIP on all of the three interfaces, that is 192.168.1.0, similarly 3.0 and 3.0. After that, 4.0. Then I will exit from here. Again, exit. Let me check whether the RIP routing protocol is enabled or not by using show IP protocols. Then we can see the RIP is enabled. The routing protocol is RIP, and it is routing for the network as given here below. Similarly, now I will go to my second router over here, and I will enable the router RIP once again. Double click it, then go to CLI, then enter, go to enable mode, enable global configuration mode, go to global configuration mode, configure terminal, then enable router RIP on all three interfaces, network 192.168.2.0, enable router RIP, version 2, no auto summary. After that, network 192.168.2.0, 3.0, then 5.0. Let me exit, again exit, then let me issue the command show IP protocols. I can see the RIP routing protocol is enabled. Now let me check the routing table of this router by issuing the command show IP route. You can see RIP routing protocol is already enabled here. It is enabled here. As let me maximize it. It is enabled here. For example, to reach the network of 192.168.1.0, I have to go through the interface gigabit 0/1 or the next hop router, that is 3.254, and it is shown here that the hop count, that is the distance to reach this network, is 1, which means it is only one router far away from this router to reach to this network. Similarly, if I go to another router and issue the same command, let me issue it. So IP route, let me maximize it. Here you can see it has learned the routing table from its neighbor router, that is to reach 192.168.2.0. It has to go by 3.254 and has to exit from 0/1, and the distance is only 1. Now further, let me explain you what is the meaning of this C and L if you are not clear about it. C is the connected route. That means 192.168.1.0 is directly connected to this router on the interface gigabit 0/1. Similarly, 192.168.4.0 is directly connected on gigabit 0/1. C means connected. L means the local IP address of the router, the local IP address of one of the interface, that is gigabit 0/1 of this router, is 3.254. Now finally, let me go to my router tree and enable RIP over here also, CLI, then I can see it has learned all 3 networks from the RIP routing protocol. Let me close it. Then to test my network connectivity, I'll go to this PC which has the IP address of 1.100, and I'll try to ping to this PC which has the IP address of 2.100. From 1.100, I'll try to ping 2.200. Let me go to desktop, then go to command, then issue the ping command, ping 192.168.2.100. You can see the reply is coming. That means the connectivity is successful. Now let me try to ping it continuously. I want to show you something else. As we have mentioned earlier, RIP routing protocol is a dynamic routing protocol. As of now, it is routing a packet through the router 2 to reach to the destination network of 2.0. For example, if by some means this connectivity is down, then it will automatically switch over from router 3 to reach the same network. Let me verify that one. As you can see it from here, the connectivity is continuously. We can see the ping reply coming here. Now let me cut this connectivity. Let me disable it. I am going to delete it. Then if I go back to the PC one, then I can see the few ping commands are being dropped. That means the destination unreachable, host destination unreachable. You can see it. Then after that, we can see the continuous reply from there. Let me close this one. This shows that after the topology is changed, RIP routing protocol took few moments to rebuild its routing table and find the alternative path to the destination. Ultimately, it was able to dynamically compute shortest path to the destination. However, in this process, few packets were dropped by the router. Thus, in this video, I have demonstrated you how RIP routing protocol works. Thank you for watching this video. If you appreciate my job, please like this video and subscribe to my channel.